This is a Scholarcraft chair frame. It was called the Scholar Ply. We developed a seat and back that will replace the Scholar Ply original seat and back. It simply mounts on. Okay, now that we've got the back on, we want to work on the seat. On both the seat and back, it's helpful to widen the holes because the frames over the years have tweaked or they have done different things with their jigs, and it just helps to make these things fit properly. What I do is I take a tabletop and I flip it up like this, straighten out the holes, get it proper. When putting the bolts on the seats, just get them started on the chair frame and then go around and mount the screws all the way around the frame. Now that we've got all 4 screws in, you just tighten them down into place, and gives us a very sturdy, very strong chair that will last you another 30 years, because that's probably how old these chairs are. And it's a lot lighter in weight.